अस्सलाम वालेकुम, थैंक यू सो मच। आप लोग यहाँ पर आए। आपने देखा है कि यहाँ पर तकरीबन पूरी नॉर्दर्न वर्जीनिया से जो हमारे कम्युनिटी लीडर्स हैं वो आए हुए हैं और आज के इवेंट के दो मकसद थे। जो पहला मकसद था वो हुआन पाब्लो सेग्योरा जो बेसिकली चीफ डेप्यूटी सेक्रेटरी हैं ट्रेड और कॉमर्स के, कॉमनवेल्थ और वर्जीनिया के लिए काम करते हैं, गवर्नर के पर्सनली साथी हैं। ही वांटेड टू फाइंड आउट कि पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी को क्या इश्यूज़ हैं और वो किस तरीके से वो इश्यूज़ जो हैं वो रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो इसी सिलसिले में मैंने ये डिनर रखा हुआ है और इस डिनर का जो दूसरा मकसद है वो ये भी है कि यहाँ पर हम लोगों को एजुकेट कर सकें, क्योंकि प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन जो हैं वो बहुत करीब हैं और मुसलमानों के 3,50,000 जो हैं वोट्स यहाँ पर हैं और वर्जीनिया स्विंग स्टेट है। तो अगर हम यूनाइट हो जाएं और हमें पता चल जाए कि हमारे वोट में कितना पावर है, तो चाहे सेनेटर हो, कांग्रेसमैन हो, गवर्नर हो या प्रेसिडेंट हो, मुसलमानों के और पाकिस्तानियों के सपोर्ट के बगैर वो इलेक्शन नहीं जीत सकता। तो ये आगाही के लिए हमने किया हुआ है और मेरी आपके सारे सामाइन से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने पावर को पहचानिए और अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल कीजिए और सही लोगों को वोट दीजिए और मेरिट पे वोट दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Assalamu alaikum. Today we've gathered here at Desi Breakfast Club in support for John Pablo Segura, who's running for congressman. We appreciate everybody coming out and showing the community, showing their support. This is a good event and we look forward to having it.
I mean, I'm going to run again in politics, but this man should run for governor. So. He's a true leader. And also for our friends at the Desi Breakfast Club, they are amazing for opening the doors and hosting us. I personally have had the chaparrata and the nahari. Amazing. Okay, so round of applause. They're true leaders in their community.
Whenever you talk to any Pakistani and you ask about what are your issues, their issues is maybe Imran Khan, maybe they say, oh, establishment has some issues, or maybe, they always say, hey, Palestine. So I was like, I'm going to go and ask our Pakistani community, what are your local issues? Because Juan Pablo Segura, he wants to resolve all those local issues. He's here to find out what are our issues and how to resolve those issues. That's it. Right over.
Amen. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi everybody. Today we have an event with Mr. John here in Virginia. He's a secretary.
Yeah, the Chief Deputy Secretary of Commerce for the Commonwealth of Virginia. Thank you for having me today.
How did you like the show today?
Oh, it was amazing. We had so much support, so much energy from the Pakistani community. I feel like if I keep going to the events, I'll become an honorary Pakistani. So, but it's an honor. It's an honor to be here, and I'm here to just listen to what the Pakistani community needs here in Virginia, and how the Youngkin administration and me in my role, how we can serve the Pakistani community and also the Muslim community here in Virginia.
That's very nice. Do you have any specific message to give it to our community in general, like South Asian community?
Of course. The first thing is that the Youngkin administration, the team at Commerce and Trade are very focused on serving all Virginians, but also in particular the Pakistani community. The Pakistani community is entrepreneurial. They are the education that they have, the things that they're doing here in Virginia are amazing. And so we have to make it easier for them to start and grow a business. Our goal in the administration is to make Virginia the best place to live, work, and raise a family. And so we're going to work every day for this community and all communities in Virginia.
Thank you so much. It was such a great event. Inshallah, we will see you guys next time.
Thank you very much.